In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Supabase with JavaScript. In order to do that, first head over to supabase.com and then create an account by starting a new project. You can click onto this button in order to do so. Now, you can also request a demo in order to get in touch with a specialist in order to show you around Supabase. Now, if you already have an account, you can proceed to sign in by clicking on this button that you can see right here. Since I already have an account, let me head over and then just proceed to sign in. Now, I have in here this documentation from Supabase. If you already have an account, you can just head over and choose in here the organization and project that you want to wish that in. Now, I have in here this particular client library, and in here, this will show you how to install the JavaScript into your Supabase. You can do so by installing it by the terminal. It can depend from npm, yarn, as well as pnpm. So it has different options based on this right here. So you can also install it by the CDN. By going to the CDN links, it will give you right here. I will also give you the link of this particular documentation, or you can search it by going and searching Supabase JavaScript. You can also use it at runtime in Deno right here. Just get this option. Now you can initialize it by creating client on browser, creating custom domain, additional parameters, as well as custom schemas, fetch implementation. And as you can see, they have different codes depending on which one you actually want to actually have right here. It will also show you in here the parameters for those for the Supabase URL, Supabase key, and option. In here, this will give you the TypeScript support, and it will show you how to generate TypeScript types right here. So this can be generated given a public table option that we have right there. You can also use TypeScript via type definitions, as well as create helper types for tables and joins. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.